Welcome to the InterContinental Mexico City. Come along with me and I'll take you on a tour of the interior lobby, the bar area, and some of the restaurants. And then I'll show you an in-depth review of my room. Upstairs is the Urbano Cafe, and then up this next set of stairs is the Champlain restaurant. And then to the left of that is the Italian restaurant. Welcome to the IHG, the InterContinental in Mexico City. This is in the Polanco district, right next to the JW Marriott. We use points for this stay, and we got the fourth night free if you're an IHG member and use points. As you walk in the room, directly as soon as you walk in, you have a sink area with soap, 2 free bottles of water. They're really tiny though, so you have to go across the street to the 7-Eleven and get some drinking water. It's really close. The hair dryer. Here's a pair of slippers, hand lotion, etc. And right here We have an area to put the coats. There's an iron and a safe and some drawers to unpack if you want. And if you open it up further, there is robes. Really thin robes and an extra pillow and more hangers. And then you have your ironing board. If you walk into this side, you have your master bedroom with the king-size bed. We have an espresso machine, espresso. It's the original style, but still, it's an espresso. So they give you 4 pods probably a day, but I think you can ask for more, but you have to get your own water. Here's a room service menu, and all this is extra. It'll be charged to your room if you take it. You have a 42-inch LCD LED TV, writing desk, work area, and each side of the bed you have plugs for charging devices and the remote, and these are the controls for your lighting right here. And over here you have a small sitting area, couch, and more plugs for your phone charging and such. And we have a city view here. We are on the 28th floor, and it'll cost you 350 pesos to get here from the airport using a yellow cab in about 35 to 40 minutes if traffic is busy. And in here we have a bathroom area. We have a little kind of rain shower head with all the amenities in here. The Izapa shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And your room will probably run you about 40,000 IHG points a night here, give or take, depending on the day. It could be a little bit less, or even more, up to 50 sometimes. Depends. And we have a little mini bar down here. Right here. And here's your wine glasses and coffee for your coffee cups for your espresso. This mini bar is, I think it's locked. Nope. This mini bar is stocked, but everything costs. So if you take it out, you're gonna pay for it. Things are not cheap here, just so you know. Not that you couldn't or don't want to eat here. It's pretty good. Breakfast for one in the morning, for continental breakfast, it's $22 US. So you can grab snacks and go to the restaurants around the corner and in the neighborhood, and you can get the same meal probably for half price. That's my tip. Thanks for watching.